Is your life insurance policy outdated? Now, isn't that an interesting question to ask about life insurance? It's in force, I've got it, so how could it be outdated? Well, let's talk a little bit about that. If you bought your policy previous to January 1 of 2009, did you know that your cost per $1,000 of face amount is more than the person who bought that on January 2nd of 2009? All that happened is they put into service a new mortality table called the 2001 CSO, which, because everybody's living longer, actually discounted the cost of insurance. The one that we were on before is called the 1980, and if you bought previous to 1986, you're on a dinosaur that dates all the way back to 1958. Now, why is this important? Well, if you remember the obsolete video from just a moment ago, if you bought one of these policies, you're paying more for the insurance and you don't have any of the free stuff. How's that fair? Wouldn't it be nice if the insurance companies would say, hey, congratulations, everybody's living longer, our medical system's extending life. We're going to give everybody a better deal and make it easier to pay your life insurance. They don't do that because the contract that you signed back then stays in effect. You're going to continue to pay the elevated rates, and you're going to continue to either have or not have the features and benefits and things that are available now because of the contract that you signed before. It warrants getting the policy looked at because it's not always the case, but you know what? If you're still insurable, you might be able to roll into a modern contract with more benefits for the same premium, maybe slightly more premium. You might be able to increase the face amount, or you may actually be able to lower the premium in some circumstances. But at the same time, I ask again, isn't it worth knowing? Question remains, why are you just hearing about this right now? Let's click on to the final installment of this series, and let's find out if your life insurance policy is inappropriate.